everyone, welcome to the last day of the Do Try This at Home School Cookery School. Today we are going to use some of the mashed potato that we made yesterday and make some potato cakes. This should be super duper quick. So I'm going to use a recipe from this cookbook for parsley potato cakes. However, I'm going to vary the recipe slightly. I'm not going to put in parsley, I'm going to put in some cheese and some onion. During rationing, vegetarians were able to swap their meat rations for other things that had protein in, like more lentils and more cheese. So we're going to use our extra cheese in our potato today. And I'm going to put in a bit of onion, and you also need some breadcrumbs. So this is just some old stale bread that I blended up with our blender. And then you need your mashed potato from yesterday, which is in here, and some cooking oil and a frying pan. Let's go. What we need to do first is put our mashed potato from yesterday into a bigger bowl. Squash it up. I am going to add our chopped up onion and our extra cheese. I'm going to mix it all together. So I used my hands to make this into a ball. Now we're going to make some potato cakes. So I'm just going to pinch off a bit. I'm going to squash it together like a potato cake. Nice and round, like that. I'm going to dip it in my breadcrumbs. I'm going to put it on the plate, ready to cook. I'm just rolling a ball, squashing it flat, dipping it in the breadcrumbs. Putting it on the plate for cooking. It says in the book that we can cook them in the oven or in a pan, fry them on the hob. So I'm going to do both and we will see which ones we prefer. Here are our potato cakes for the oven. It's on gas mark 6. Let's put them in. See how they come out. And in this pan I have got just some cooking oil. Let's see what happens with these. These are sizzling away on sort of a medium heat. So the ones that we fried on the top have come out looking like this. They cooked quite quickly, maybe too quickly because bits of it stuck to the pan. They look alright. I will taste them. They taste good. The ones in the oven are still cooking. I think they're going to take quite a bit longer. So if you want something super duper quick, this is the way to cook them in the pan. If you want something slower, put them in the oven. These could be good for breakfast with a fry up, or lunch, or dinner. Fabulous, versatile potato cakes. It's been 20 minutes. Our potato cakes, I think, are done. Ta-da! When they come out of the oven, they look like this. So they've cooked slower and more of the breadcrumbs have stayed on, and I suspect they taste just as good. So I'm going to have some for my dinner. We hope you enjoyed our video today. That's the last one of our 5 cookery lessons of this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. We are everywhere, and keep an eye out for some new videos coming your way very soon. Bye.